If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2026 in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming without losing your progress. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page or social media channels to confirm if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Game Launcher Origin or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can fix issues related to cloud saves. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to EA support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They may have additional solutions or can escalate the issue if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying Apex Legends. If the problem persists, keep an eye on updates from the developers for any fixes.